Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Don't worry, Mickey. We'll get you out of there in no time. Roy, this concrete has to go.
He's going to get you!
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jumping now, man!
Just passing through?
Actually, I...
Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan.
Get it in!
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Start right there. In the hood, right there.
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan...
Pasa, se dan por vencidos. ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
There he goes!
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, Kajiga!
All the passengers are happy to hear about the country show. Now I must whoosh and wheesh.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
It's amazing.
But you'll never be one of us.
Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well,
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
What's taking this guy so long? Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Gojira egg, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
You don't think I know that? You don't think I know that? I'm the one who's been flying back and forth.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Şimşek McQueen ağır olmayı seviyormuş. Tabii ki Francesco bunu zaten biliyor. Uyumak için onun yarışlarını
You know, racing was the best part of his life, and when it ended,
If you're implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all...
Hits con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm. Otro gran triunfo contra el...
Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Pit stop!
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.